Hey, welcome back to the Fit Spry channel. So what we have here today is an emergency antibiotic kit from Jase Medical. This is what they call the Jase Case. And so, kind of, what you'd expect, basically has some antibiotics in here. And so a bunch of different stuff in here, and names that I'm not even going to try to butcher. I know, like amoxicillin, amoxiclav kind of thing. But a whole bunch of different medications, if you can pronounce it, that's great. All right, and so you're going to say, okay, wonderful. So you have a kit here with a bunch of medicine that you can't pronounce and you don't know how to use. Well, what's really kind of unique about this is that it has an emergency antibiotic guide, basically. And so, of course, it has some of the general, rundown about the different types of medications. And then it actually has an explanation of each medicine and what you would use it for. And so, for example, the amoxicillin, if you have a bite wound, be it animal or human, and so basically you can treat that. And so what you would do is you'd go to page 1. All right, so page 1. And here it's going to actually explain to you some of the cautions about it, how to use it properly. So for example, for a bite wound, it's going to say, basically the proper dosage and how much you should take it for if you have pneumonia. And so different things, how to use it properly for each condition. Or what you can do, like I said, it has the contents by drugs. Or you can go and find, let's see, the contents by the conditions. And so whatever you have, like serious things like anthrax, and so it's going to tell you which medications will work for like anthrax, again, bites, nausea, sinusitis, pneumonia, like traveler's diarrhea and tetanus and stuff like that. And so basically whatever condition you have, then it basically is going to tell you which medication to use for that and the page to go to. So for example, tetanus, let's go to page 11. Let's see, do I have the doxy, whatever? I do, so this right here, right? And so I'd go to page 11, and it's going to actually explain how to properly use the antibiotics for tetanus. All right, so here it is. Again, you got the cautions about it. We're going through here, anthrax, pneumonia, plague, skin infections, tetanus. And it's going to explain to you how to properly take care of it, how to treat it, how to take the medicine properly. And so if you're traveling abroad or just kind of like a prepping thing, for having at home, or if it's a bug out bag, if you're going to be cut off from modern medicine, basically this kit's going to work really great for that as far as for getting you some literally life-saving medications. And so before I had this kit, most of the medications I had were just over-the-counter stuff, painkillers, antihistamines, something like for your stomach, if it be Pepto-Bismol tabs, stuff like that. And so all that, not really serious. It more like treats the symptoms and not really the issue. Whereas with some serious antibiotics, these are going to literally be life-saving medications if you cannot get some professional medical help. And so to get this kit, what you do is you go to jasemedical.com and you have to answer some of their questions, some medical questions about yourself. And this kit actually costs like $260 as it is. And actually something else to be aware of is that the expiration date is like only 1 year. And so it's not like something that you could like store for, decades and stuff like that, naturally being antibiotics. And so, but anyways, let me know what you think about this kit, having an antibiotic emergency kit. If it's something you would use, something you'd be interested in. And if you are interested, be sure to check that out. I'll include a link to it in the description of this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.